It was the 27th night of Ramadan. A gentle moon was shining in the sky while a cool breeze softly moved the flowers in the garden. Little Ayan was sitting in the courtyard with his grandmother, watching the peaceful night. In the distance, the mosque was glowing with warm lights as people quietly walked toward it for worship. Curious, Ayan asked, "Grandma, why is everyone praying so much tonight?" His grandmother smiled warmly and replied, "My dear child, tonight is a very blessed night called Lailat al-Qadr. On this special night, the first guidance of the Quran was revealed for humanity, and worship on this night is better than 1,000 months." Ayan looked up at the sky filled with shining stars, while the soft recitation of the Quran could be heard from the mosque, bringing calmness to the heart. Slowly, Ayan raised his small hands and made a sincere prayer. "O Allah, please make me a good person and keep everyone happy." His grandmother gently placed her hand on his head and said, "When a prayer comes from a pure heart, Allah always listens." In that peaceful moment, under the glowing moon and the quiet Ramadan night, Ayan felt his heart filled with hope, kindness, and the beautiful blessings of this sacred night.